Unleash the power of verbs in the subject-verb pattern. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive into a fundamental part of English grammar, the subject-verb, or SV, pattern. We're going to put a spotlight on the V in SV, the verbs. We'll break down some fantastic examples of verbs used in this pattern to give you a better understanding and ultimately, improve your English writing and speaking. So, let's jump right in. In English, the most basic sentence structure is the subject-verb, SV, pattern. Every sentence needs a subject and a verb to be complete. The subject is who or what the sentence is about, and the verb tells us what the subject does or describes a state of being. Let's look at a simple example. Cats purr. Cats is our subject and purr is our verb. The first type of verb we're going to look at is the action verb. These verbs express physical or mental action. For instance, birds chirp, dogs bark, or she thinks. Each sentence has a clear subject performing an action. With action verbs, our sentences become vibrant and full of life. Next, we're going to explore linking verbs. These verbs connect the subject of a sentence to more information about the subject. They don't show action but instead describe a state of being. Examples include is, am, are, was, and were. Let's see them in action. He is tall, I am a teacher, or they were happy. Lastly, we have helping verbs. Also known as auxiliary verbs, these verbs help the main verb express tense, mood, or voice. Examples include has, have, do, does, did, can, could, should, and many others. For instance, she has finished her homework, or we can swim. And that wraps up our exploration of verbs in the subject-verb pattern. By understanding how to use different types of verbs, action, linking, and helping verbs, you can craft more diverse and engaging sentences. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering these concepts. So, keep writing, keep speaking, and keep experimenting with different verbs in your sentences. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this has been a helpful journey into the world of verbs. Keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video.